Good morning, everybody. Hi. This is Miriam from Kenya. I'm just waking up right now. It is in the morning at around 7. Everybody, wherever you are watching from, may you welcome so much. And now I'm just going to give you just a little tour of my parents' garden. So guys, may you welcome, may you subscribe. This is my village where I grew up. So in our garden, we normally plant seasonal plants, just the food which we are eating, like corn, beans, cowpeas, and also pigeon peas, green grams. This is our garden. It is very large, but not so large. So I'm going to start with my mother's garden. This is the fence. The other side we have the garden. That is the home. Alright, in this garden, this is my mother's garden. And they plant the seed by the use of the cows. We don't use machine in our village, but we use the cows. So here my mother planted green grams. These are the green grams. We use them as a stew. Maybe you can eat them by the use with the chapati, posho, rice, and we cook them by boiling. After boiling, you just fry by the use of the tomatoes or onions and tomatoes. This is my mother's garden. Yesterday, there are some people who were cultivating. You can see those weeds. As you can see, there is some houses there. You can see that is the school, academy school for the young children. That is the end of that garden. Yes, for my mother. She's not around at our home. She traveled somewhere where she's going to spend some days. Then she will come back later. Guys, this is our village, a very beautiful village. Next, there is another garden here for my mother. This grass, it is for the cows. Very good for the cows. All right, this is another garden for my mother. And these are the beans. And you can see they have flowers. They have flowers. Very soon they are going to bear seeds. And that is very beautiful flowers. My parents, they are the farmers. Since I was born, I found them being farmers. This is for beans and some corns. Very little corns. Oh, that is the garden for the beans and some corns. Very little, as you can see. There is some corns. And it is going all the way to that point near the home. The other side, there is a corn. But these ones, they are a bit bigger. They are bigger. That is the neighboring. It is the school for the young children, the academy school. So some people, they were cultivating yesterday, and you see that piece they never finished, but they will continue cultivating today. I hope they will finish. They reached here at this point. And the other point, the other part, they will finish it today. I'm here at home. I'm going to organize everything for my mother, because she's not there. I will take care of everything. They will find me and I will manage everything. for her garden to be cultivated. You see the beans, they have flowers, very healthy one, very healthy beans with the flowers. All right. This cowpeas, it is very healthy. Those leaves, we just take them and remove them like this. Just take these 3 pieces like this, and we use it as a vegetables, traditional vegetables. They are very nice. Another cowpeas, I think it is a line which is going all the way to the end. Yes, guys. Here there is some tomatoes, and tomatoes, they like to be under this tree. The reason it is because when birds, they just hit the tomatoes from the other places, when they come in this tree, when they settle here, they just their pieces, when they fall down, those pieces, I think they have those seeds for the tomatoes. That's why most of the time we find that tomatoes, they are under the trees. So like these ones, we are not the one, we never planted them, but we just found them there. Tomatoes, very nice. We never planted them, but it is the birds, they are bringing the seeds under this tree. This is acacia tree, and it has thorns, very big thorns like canindus. You see, like this maize, it has some holes. It means that there is a caterpillar. There is a caterpillar which is affecting this maize. You can see the other one. So they will buy a medicine and they will spray on this maize, this corn, before it is destroyed by the caterpillars. You can see very nice beans. And this one, they have started, they have some, that's the seeds. By next month, they will be eating beans. So the farm, it is just very long. As you can see, that is the head there. Then it is divided in different pieces. You know, here in our African culture, here, the brothers, they are the one who are being given the garden. if they grow up, they are given a piece of land by the father. Like for example here, this garden, it is for my brother. This one, which is very newly cultivated, you see the corn, it is very young. This one, very young, very newly cultivated, very new. This one, this is for my brother. Or this piece, it is for my brother. So here in Africa, here in Kenya, boys are given the piece of land when they are over 18 years. That is the time most of them, they finish their school and now they start their own life and they depend each other. That is the age which the boys, they start depending for themselves, because they have become the grown-ups. So the boys, they are given the land, but the girls, they are not given a piece of land, because they are going to get married and they will get their husbands with the piece of land. So guys, but in case somebody decides not to get married, the parents can give a piece of land. But if somebody is married, no land. For example, for me, I don't have any piece of land here. The land belongs to my brothers and a piece of my mother. This is sorghum, very young. Sorghum here we use it to cook the porridge. It is for the flour, for the porridge, and also we use it to give the chicken, and also for the flour of the porridge. So you can see this is the sisal plant. We use the sisal plant as a beacon. If my brothers are divided the pieces of land, they just plant this. So that sisal, it shows that you have between your piece of land and somebody else, you have to plant this piece of sisal, and it is not a must for them to be together. They are just apart, like there, after a few meters, and another one. So we still need some rain because of these young plants which were planted recently. As you can see, this is the corn and also the sorghum. This is the sorghum. They are very young, they need rain. Up here, these are just the weeds. This piece, it belongs to the third brother. You need to cultivate this place. It has a lot of weeds. He planted some corn and beans and some pigeon. Let me show you the pigeon piece. This is the pigeon piece. So this pigeon piece, it will be ready. They will hit the pigeon next year, July. Next year, July, it is the time when this pigeon peas will have the pigeon peas. January will be ready, and also maize will be ready, and the beans. And this is the black beans. This is the black beans, very strong. It is eaten by especially for those mothers who have given birth. It is good for those mothers because it is very healthy. This is the black beans. Black beans. The farm is very long, as you can see. Alright guys, all this piece, it is for my brother, or that one. For my daddy brother. This other piece here, it is for the fourth brother. Also, he planted beans. Beans, they are a lot here. Here in the village, you have to plant the beans and corn. That is the common food here in our village. Next garden here, it is for my 50th brother, who is the youngest. The 51 is the youngest here in our family. And he planted, these are the green grams. Green grams. You can see the green grams. Also, there is a line for the sorghum. This lines, it has a sorghum, sorghum for the porridge, and also for the chicken. Chicken, they normally take the sorghum. This piece of land, it is for my first brother, our first-born brother, who is the first child in this home. And here he has some beans. You have to plant beans here in the village. Beans and corns, they are must. As you can see, they are very healthy. And some cowpeas. Cowpeas. You can see that line. It is going to up to the hand. And some sorghum. Guys. Very clean piece of land, very healthy plants. And this is the black peas, very healthy. So in our family, we are here. So thank you so much, guys, for watching my video. I think I'm going to end this video there, and we shall see you to the next video. May you have a nice and a blessed day, and God protect you and give you good health, and also may you work hard in whatever you do, something or yourself, and pray God is simple. He can give you whatever you want. If you work hard, God is there for you. So see you to the next video. I will bring more videos from this village where I grew up before I go back to my husband's home where I'm married. I'm just going back home to see whether my children, they have waken up. It is very early. I left them sleeping, but I know they have waken up now. They are looking for me where I have gone. Guys.